Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths. The 2024 harvest is underway in some parts of the Corn Belt, but farmers are looking at much lower corn and soybean prices than a year ago. Right now, USDA is projecting record yields for both crops, and that may continue to mean tight margins for farmers in 2025. Ag Day's Michelle Rook joins us. And Michelle, what are the ways that producers can start managing price risk for next year?
Clinton, farmers saw a similar commodity reset for row crops from 2011 to 2014. But at that time, there were not as many crop insurance or risk management tools available to help producers protect the margin on their farm. That's not the case going into the 2025 crop year. Sharply lower corn and soybean prices are squeezing margins on the 2024 crop. However, without a big market turnaround, break-evens could be negative for some farmers in 2025, in large part due to higher cost of production.
But if you look at input prices, they're about 40% higher than they were in 2014. So when you look at that, that's a lot more pressure on the margin, and producers really, in effect, have more dollars at risk than they've ever had before.
While he says that's tougher to protect, RMA has new crop insurance tools available to help farmers they didn't have in 2014.
And so those area plans, you may have heard of the supplemental coverage option, SCO, enhanced coverage option, ECO, or margin protection. And so all three of those are area plans. They all have kind of a different nuance to them, but all of them provide a higher level of coverage than what you can get just from your underlying policies.
So how much does that insurance cover for the average producer?
I would say in most areas, most situations, taking an ECO type policy or margin protection policy will cover their cost of production and maybe a little bit more, maybe, within probably 5%.
He says the supplemental coverage option covers up to 86%. The sign-up deadline is September 30th, and that will lock in the fall harvest price set in October and put a floor under that price right now. I'm Michelle Rook reporting for Ag Day.